Namaskar students. We are on chapter number 2, different forms of organization. In the previous class, I told you about the sole proprietorship and the joint Hindu family business. We have done with these 2 points, and the partnership we have started. Partnership is an association of 2 or more persons who agree to jointly pursue a business activity. They pool their managerial and financial resources for the purpose. According to the Indian Partnership Act 1932, partnership is the relationship between 2 or more persons who agreed to share the profits of the business carried on by all of or any one of them, acting for all. This is the definition which I told you in the previous class also. Today, we are going to start with the types of partnership firm. Types of partnership firm there are 2 types are there. The first is on the basis of the duration. Duration means time period. And on the basis of the time period, there are 3 types of partnership. The first one is partnership at will. The partnership formed for an indefinite period is known as partnership at will. This type of partnership exists at the will of the partners and comes to an end whenever partners desire so. Any one partner can give notice of dissolution and partnership will come to an end. The second one is fixed period partnership. The partnership formed for a specific period of time, say 3 years or 5 years, that is known as a fixed period partnership. This type of partnership firm automatically gets terminated on expiry of that specified time period. The third one is particular partnership. The partnership which is formed to carry on a particular venture is known as particular partnership. This type of partnership comes to an end automatically on completion of that venture. For example, if 2 persons jointly get a contract for construction of a bridge, then these 2 persons may form a partnership to construct the bridge. When the bridge gets constructed and is ready, then the partnership automatically comes to an end. So this is the first type, partnership based on the duration or based on time. The second type of partnership is based on the liability of members. On the basis of liability of members, there are 2 types of partnership. These are general partnership. The first one is the general partnership. In this type of partnership, liability of all the members is unlimited. And that is why it is known as general partnership, which means if the assets of the firm are not enough, then creditors can settle their accounts by having claim over the personal property of the partners. Each partner of general partnership firm can actively participate in the activities of partnership firm. In India, all the partnerships are general partnership firms. The second one is limited liability partnership. The partnership firm in which liability of all the partners except one partner is limited to the extent of their share in the partnership firm is known as limited partnership. In India, limited partnership was introduced by enacted Limited Partnership Act 2008. The main features of limited partnership are the liability of at least one partner must be unlimited. Second, the liability of all other partners can be limited to the extent of their capital contribution in the partnership firm. Third is the partners with limited liability are called special partners or limited partners. The fourth is the special partner is not allowed to participate in the management of the firm. The special partner has the right to inspect the accounts, and this partner can withdraw his partnership whenever he desires so. The death, insolvency, or incapacity of a special partner does not affect the existence of partnership firm. Okay, so these two types of partnership firms are there. Now revise these points and read the types of partners. In our next session, we'll start with the same, and reading is a must, children, so please do read. If you read in this situation, whenever the class will be there at the same time, you will understand the concept in a much better manner. Thank you.